smoked chicken. Happy 4th of July. Happy 2nd anniversary on YouTube. Let's get involved. Boom! Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. I am your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight it is the 2nd anniversary of BBQ Jams. Happy 4th of July, everybody. We are partying tonight. We are going to be cooking up some chicken on the offset grill. It's going to be incredible. We've got a bunch of people coming by to say hi. You're going to be hanging out. So who's playing tonight? Guys, we have Brett Norton on guitar. We also have Steve Wheeler on guitar, and we have David Lee on bass, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So you guys got to hang in for this one. It's going to be so much fun. So let's get involved, people. Boom! All right, here we go. We're firing up the Lang. It's been a minute. We're going to be smoking a bunch of chicken on it today for the 2nd anniversary of BBQ Jam. So I'm going to start off with some coals. Get that nice and hot. Then I'm gonna have to start throwing on some logs and getting this guy up to temp about 275. So you guys follow along. So, guys, we are going to be cooking up some chicken tonight. We're going to be smoking it on the offset at about 275 degrees tonight. We're going to be using duck fat as a binder, and we're going to be using some of my OG BBQ Jams rub as the seasoning. So, probably going to be doing some barbecue sauce on there as well. We're going to be using some of this Blues Hog, which is going to be really good. Most people are doing burgers and dogs. We're doing chicken, so why not? Let's get involved. So, here we go. Thank you for picking this up for me, Lauren, today. I appreciate you. And Christy Ann, by the way. Thank you also. Everybody behind the scenes of BBQ Jams is helping out in all sorts of different ways. Let's go on with some duck fat. And some BBQ Jams rub. Cooking tonight? You want to say hi to everybody on BBQ Jams World? Yeah! Say what's up! Say happy 2-year anniversary to BBQ Jams. Or just say happy 2-year anniversary. And happy 4th of July! Alright, we're gonna go and get all of this prepped up. We're gonna be popping on the smoker. You guys enjoy these jams, please like and subscribe. It helps our channel, so let's get involved, people. Come on! Okay. Let's go on the pit, guys. Check it out. Woo! Look at that. Yeah, baby. We are right over 275 right now. Let's get these birds on. First round is in. Woo! All right. We'll be right back. Just pulling these out right now. We're going to temp them, and we're going to be saucing them and putting them back on, letting them tack up, and then pull them. So, hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're having a great time, so you guys hang tight. Okay, we're gonna let these ride. We're gonna let them tack up for a little bit, and we're gonna see you guys back here in a little bit. Like and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Come on. ready. Are you ready?
Go.
Are you rolling? Are you rolling? Are we going? We're going. Hey, we're going. Let's pull the chicken. Oh yeah. These guys are ready. Hey, by the way, while you're watching this, just hit that like and that subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.
All I'm gonna do is listen to you.
Yeah, baby.
There she blows.
My radio on.
There it is, people. We got our smoked chicken. We're getting ready to serve it up. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Let's get back here. We'll be right back. Here we go.
Get involved, baby.
So we are all ready to go here. The chicken is all cut up, ready to be served. Everybody's got their piece. We're getting ready to jump in. You guys excited? Yeah! All right, it's the 2-year anniversary show, so here we go, people. Take a bite. Woo! Cheers! 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 Thank you. Cheers! All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh Lord. Oh, it's coming.
Oh, baby.
I dare say it's wonderful.
Hello. Ooh, that's nice. The sauce is great too. Nice smoke flavor. Guys, we're having a great time over here. Who's showing up? Anybody showing up over there?
Yeah, Arthur's right there.
Arthur! Hey! Better late than never, buddy. Arthur. Come on and grab a piece real quick. Come on.
Grab a piece.
Better late than never, buddy. I didn't hear from you. I was like, oh God, I hope Arthur shows up. Okay.
Grab a piece of chicken.
Happy birthday, buddy. Hey.
Happy birthday, barbecue.
Hey, yes, happy birthday, Barbecue Jam. Second anniversary, baby. Yeah, so we have some thighs, we have some breasts, we have some legs, all the good stuff. Hey, we're doing one more chicken cheers with you. Chicken cheers. Yeah! All right. Oh man. Thank you guys so much for being here and being a part of Barbecue Jam. Couldn't do it without you guys. And without you guys. We're gonna be back here in just a minute. You guys like and subscribe and check out these jams. Come on, let's get involved. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Wonderful. We had an excellent show tonight. We absolutely killed it with the chicken and the jams. And what'd you guys think of all that tonight? Oh my God, guys, we're having a blast over here. Hey, thank you so much to Derek Enter, by the way, for all the merch, buddy. We really appreciate you. And that's gonna do it for us tonight, guys. So let's get involved. Boom! Yeah.